Ever wondered how omega-3 can transform your well-being? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Omega-3 is a potent nutrient that plays a crucial role in various body functions. It's like the unsung hero of our body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us in prime health. Now, there are three types of omega-3 fatty acids: ALA, EPA, and DHA. Each one has its own unique role, but together they form a powerful trio that promotes our overall health. Imagine them as a band, each playing a different instrument, but together creating a symphony of wellness. So what does this symphony sound like? Well, the benefits of omega-3 are manifold. It contributes to improved heart health, fostering a rhythm that keeps your life's music going. It promotes better mental health, tuning up your cognitive functions, and it helps reduce inflammation, soothing the body like a gentle lullaby. Now, let's dive into the superfoods packed with this essential nutrient. Scene script. Seafood lovers rejoice. Your favorite dishes are a treasure trove of omega-3. Imagine the exquisite taste of a perfectly cooked salmon, the delicate flavor of mackerel, or the rich, robust taste of sardines. Not only are these dishes delicious, but they're also chock full of omega-3 fatty acids. Specifically, they're rich in EPA and DHA, both of which play crucial roles in maintaining our heart health and brain function. And let's not forget about oysters and shrimp. These delectable treats from the sea are also brimming with omega-3. So next time you're at a seafood restaurant, you can feel good about indulging in these tasty delights. Now, you might be wondering, how much seafood should I eat to reap these benefits? Well, for optimal health, it's recommended to have at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. That's your ticket to a heart-healthy diet. But for those who aren't fans of seafood, don't worry. There are other omega-3 rich foods just for you. For our vegetarian and vegan friends, plant-based foods and nuts are your omega-3 champions. When it comes to plant-based omega-3 powerhouses, flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds undoubtedly top the list. Each of these super seeds is a potent source of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Sprinkle some into your morning smoothie, or mix them into your favorite salad for a nutritious boost. But wait, there's more. Walnuts and soybeans are other plant-based heroes in the omega-3 saga. Crunchy walnuts make a great snack and can be tossed into salads, oatmeal, or even your favorite pasta dish. Soybeans, on the other hand, can be enjoyed in many forms like tofu or edamame, making them quite versatile. It's important to remember, though, that while ALA isn't as potent as EPA and DHA, our bodies can convert it to a more active form, making these plant-based sources highly beneficial. But what if you're not a fan of nuts and seeds? Well, omega-3 is also found in some other surprising sources. Omega-3 hides in some unexpected places, making it even easier to incorporate into your diet. It's not just the fish in the sea or the plants and nuts on the land that hold this nutrient powerhouse. There are some fortified foods readily available in your grocery stores that pack a punch of omega-3. Take eggs, for instance. Not all eggs are created equal. Some brands have hens that are fed with flax seeds, leading to eggs with higher omega-3 content. Certain brands of yogurt and milk are also fortified with omega-3. An easy way to get your daily dose with your breakfast or snack. And for our vegan friends, don't feel left out. Algae oil is a potent source of omega-3, perfect for those who avoid animal products, but still want the health benefits of this essential fatty acid. So there you have it. From seafood to seeds, nuts, and even fortified foods, omega-3 is all around us, ready to transform your well-being with these omega-3 rich delights. The journey to better health starts now.